If you're a small business owner wondering which project management tool is right for you, ClickUp, Asana, or Trello, then you've come to the right place. I'm going to break down each of these platforms, their pros, cons, and help you decide which one's best suited for your team's needs. Stick around until the end because I'll be sharing a better alternative that you might want to consider, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Let's start with ClickUp. The first thing you'll notice about ClickUp is that it offers a ton of customization options. From task views to workflows, it's pretty much designed to fit whatever you need. It's a great all-in-one tool, but that can also be a downside. The sheer number of features and customization options can be overwhelming for small teams, especially those just getting started. If you're looking for simplicity, ClickUp might require a bit of a learning curve. But if you're okay with a bit of complexity in exchange for power, then it might be the right fit. Next thing, Asana. Asana is widely regarded as one of the most user-friendly project management tools out there. It's great for teams that need to get started quickly and easily. You can set up projects in no time, and the interface is clean and intuitive. One of the standout features of Asana is its task management. You can break down tasks into smaller subtasks and set deadlines, which is perfect for keeping everyone on track. However, Asana's free plan is pretty limited compared to its competitors, and if you want more features, you'll have to upgrade to the premium version, which can get pricey for small businesses on a budget. Now, let's talk about Trello. Trello is the most visually appealing of the three with its card and board system. It's highly intuitive and works well for small teams looking for a simple way to organize their tasks. If you're working on a project with a lot of moving parts but don't need complex task management, Trello's board view might be just what you need. That being said, Trello's simplicity can also be a limitation. It doesn't have as many advanced features as ClickUp or Asana, and you'll need to use third-party integrations if you want to add more functionality, which can be a hassle for small businesses who need something that just works. Next thing, scalability. While ClickUp is a powerhouse, Asana and Trello may fall short as your business grows. Asana is definitely better than Trello when it comes to scaling, but even it can be limiting in certain areas without the paid version. ClickUp, on the other hand, can scale with you, but as I mentioned earlier, it can be overwhelming if you don't need all those advanced features. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. All three tools offer free plans, but as your team grows, the limitations of these free versions become clear. ClickUp's free version is decent, but to unlock its full potential, you'll need the paid version, which is pricier than Asana's or Trello's. Asana offers a free plan with a more limited set of features, while Trello's free plan gives you unlimited boards, but with restrictions on the number of Power UPS, which are their integrations. So, what's the best tool for small businesses? Well, it really depends on what you need. If you're looking for simplicity and ease of use, Asana or Trello may be the way to go. But if you need something more customizable and scalable, then ClickUp is definitely worth considering. Just be prepared to invest some time into learning it. However, after trying all three myself, I can confidently say that there's a better alternative out there. While ClickUp, Asana, and Trello are all good tools in their own right, if you want a more streamlined experience without the overwhelm or limitations, take advantage of the free trial in the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers.